Hello, my dear friends. Many of you have complained that you are being burdened, your phone is being burdened, and your desktop or laptop is being burdened and being collapsed due to uh, huge material links and all those things. So today we will learn how to create a space in our phone and keep everything at your fist to provide to each other whenever it is demanded. So for that we have to use some new apps and we have to do manage our content. Here you can see I have opened my mail. You can see here it is my mail. I have signed in. Now you can see here, these are Google apps. So open it. Many you can see here. First of all, you have to open your Drive. Drive is a, you can say it is a box. एक बक्सा है जहां पर आप मैनेज करके सब कुछ रख सकते हैं. देखिए ये this is storage. This is free storage provided to us. If we are going to keep these things here, so we can it's not necessary to open your mail, to open your lappy, your desktop, anywhere in the world you can sign in your mail and you can give it. So if I have to share anything with my friend, I just go through these things and share the link to my friend, and my friend can approach these things. So nowhere we need to keep it. We have to keep here in the Drive. So you have opened your mail, then you are going here, and in that you are going to open your Drive. Here you can do in a lot of ways. First, if there are many files in my desktop, then we can keep our files here. See, upload files. If we will open this upload file, see the fun. And I'm going to my desktop. See, here is file. I will select it, open it, and here you can see uploading one item. Uploaded. It is now here. Again, I have to upload here, upload folder. See, on my desktop there are many folders, so I will select it and I will upload it. Upload, right? So this was asking कि ये कहीं और से लिया आपने, आप उस पर विश्वास करते हैं तो आप देख लीजिए, क्योंकि वो हमारे डेस्कटॉप पे it is free from virus and all those things, so it is going to be uploaded. Now you can see here are many types of files I have uploaded. See the fun. Everything. My test papers, my lesson plans, my worksheets, my grammar sheets, my whatever it is, all things are kept here. Nothing here and there. Now suppose I want to share this homophones. Suppose. So I will open it. Open with, it is Google form. So I will open it. And here is send. I will send. I will share. Send. I will send. I will share the link. Shorten link. Copy. And I will paste in the WhatsApp and it will go on. I have kept all the links. Here you can see. All grade for grade. If any my friend has sent these, so I have kept it. I have kept many links because I have to check other teachers' work also sometimes. So I have kept all the links in this Word file. This is also in my Drive. So in this way we can share it, right? One way you have seen that we can make files on our desktop and then we can upload here. So there is a lot of space. You can see I have kept a lot of them also. 426 MB I have used, and 15 GB means 14.5 GB is left empty. I will keep a lot of material here. So I have created two mails. In one mail I have created channel and YouTube links, all I have stored, and one I am storing all the files here. Second thing I am going to tell you, first whatever you have made, you have created, you can keep here. Then you can get the link of that and you can save that link. And if you are going to properly manage, then फटाक से आप उस लिंक पे जाओगे और आप उस लिंक को भेज दोगे. जैसे देखिए अभी मैंने ये डाउनलोड किया था, ये देखिए ये मैंने अभी आप लोगों के सामने अपलोड किया. तो इसको अगर हम ओपन करेंगे तो ये खुद ही बताएगा. देखिए ये पहले गूगल फॉर्म था, ये गूगल डॉक्स है. इस गूगल डॉक्स, तो ये गूगल डॉक्स से खोल देगा हमारी फाइल को. नेट स्लो है तो थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है. ये खोल देगा. मैं एक्सेल के कुछ फॉर्मूलाज क्रिएट कर रही थी सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए, तो दीज आ रही है. तो मैंने ये देखिए, अब ये मुझे किसी अपने फ्रेंड को भेजना है कि भैया देख लो ये सही है कि नहीं, या जरा चेक कर लो ये फॉर्मूलाज मैंने बनाए. तो हाउ कैन आई चेक? अब मैं उसको पूरी फाइल व्हाट्सएप पे भेजूं, बेचारे का उसका भी फोन कोलैप्स होगा, फिर वो उसको खोलेगा, फिर भेजेगा ठीक करके. अगर उसे कुछ ठीक करना है तो वो उसको ठीक करके डाउनलोड करेगा, फिर ठीक करेगा, फिर करेगा, इतना बवाल करेगा. इससे अच्छा मैं गेट लिंक करूंगी, कॉपी लिंक. लिंक कॉपी हो गया और मैं ये जो यहां पर है यहां पर कॉपी भी कर लूंगी उसका लिंक. देखिए मैं इसको पेस्ट भी कर लूंगी यहां पर, पेस्ट. ये देखिए फॉर्मूला फाइल. अब मैंने ये पेस्ट भी कर लिया है. तो जस्ट मुझे अपने मोबाइल में, लैपटॉप पे बस यही फाइल रखनी है. एक फाइल मैं रख लेती हूँ हर जगह. अपने मोबाइल पे रखा हुआ है मैंने, इसको लैपटॉप पे रखा हुआ, और इसको मैंने ड्राइव में भी डाला हुआ है. तो बस एक ये फाइल रखने से अब क्या है, मैं इससे इसको खोलूंगी तो मैं क्या चाहिए, मैं ये इसको व्हाट्सएप पे पेस्ट कर दूंगी. जो आपको चाहिए वो लिंक मैं पेस्ट कर दूंगी. अगला खोलेगा और ये जो लिंक है इस पे वो एडिट भी कर सकता है. वो उसको एडिट करके और मुझे ऐसे ही सबमिट करेगा और वो वापस हो जाएगा. तो इट इज वेरी इजी एंड नॉट टेकिंग अवर स्पेस. एंड वी हैव टू लर्न नाउ दीज थिंग्स, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा अब तो ये चलेगा ही ऑनलाइन, एंड वी आर बीइंग स्ट्रेस्ड, आवर फ्रेंड्स आर बीइंग स्ट्रेस्ड. सो इट इज बेटर टू लर्न हाउ टू कोप अप विद दीज सिचुएशंस. सो यू हैव सीन कि हाउ you can keep in this drive all the material you have prepared. You can keep upload here and you can get link and you can copy in the file systematically, and in this way you can share with each other. Nothing to share heavy files, jar, and network problem is being there. वो net मतलब आपका डाटा बहुत खाएगा. So avoid these things. Now, अब जो आप नई चीजें बनाने जा रहे हैं, if you are going to create a new file, suppose I have to create some lesson plan or activities. So I will come here, my drive. अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे अगर गूगल शीट बनानी है. देखिए मैंने ये गूगल शीट बना ली है. मैंने एक गूगल शीट यहाँ पर बनाई और उसी में सारा स्कूल अपने अपने नंबर भर रहा है. तो मुझे अलग से किसी से, आई एम एग्जामिनेशन इंचार्ज, सो आई नीड नॉट टू बोरो फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरीवन की दे दो भैया, दे दो. नो, एक भीड़ बढ़ा दो. नो, इट इज ऑलरेडी देयर एंड एनीवन कैन फिल। अब ये देखिए जैसे ये है, इसको फिल करना था, इसको खोला मैंने, इसको मैंने यही बनाया है। अब ऑल टीचर्स विल फिल, क्लास वाइज है, अपना सेक्शन वाइज है, वो इसको फिल कर देंगे। इसमें वो कोई फिल करेगा, कोई फिल करेगा, अपना अपना इंग्लिश वाला, हिंदी वाला, ऐसे करके लोग फिल करते चले जाएंगे। एंड और सब ये ऑनलाइन रहेगा तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अभी कुछ सम पीपल हैव फिल्ड इट आल्सो, कि ये इन्होंने फिल कर दिया है। इसी तरह पूरा क्लास वाइज पूरा स्कूल है इसमें, और एट ए टाइम 10 लोग फिल कर रहे हैं, या ऑनलाइन है, किसी के लिए किसी का स्पेस नहीं ले रहा है। तो अब इसको आप कैसे करें, आपको कुछ भी करना है, यू हैव टू सपोज गूगल डॉक्स लेना है मुझे, राइट। अब मैंने यहां से गूगल डॉक लिया एंड अब मैंने सपोज मैंने यहाँ क्रिएट किया और इसको मैंने सेव कर लिया, या मतलब अभी तो मैंने बनाया है तो मैंने इसको ये अनटाइटल्ड फॉर्म को यहाँ दे दिया मैंने, टेंस लेसन। ये मेरा यहाँ बन रहा है। अब मेरा मन नहीं है, अब मुझे कुछ करना है, अभी मेरा मन नहीं है, तो आई विल क्लोज, इसे क्लोज कर, राइट। नाउ whenever I will get time, then it will be here. This is open with Google Docs. So अब मैं इसको then I can correct it or I can edit whatever I can. Now I want to share with you people. So I will share. I will get link. Copy link. It is copied. I will copy here in my list for me. This is list. This is it. It is blue. It means this is online. Tense lesson plan. I have kept it here and done. Now here it is, and I will close it and I will send it. Whenever I have to send, I just will open my this link file, and whatever you will ask, I will, oh you need suffixes, okay, I will copy it, I will send to you. अच्छा lesson plan देना है, okay, I will copy and I will give you, you will open and it will be reachable to you also. To whom I will send a link, all can see it in a nice way, and if they want to edit it, then they can edit it. If I give permission them to edit, then they can edit it. So it is not eating my space, my mobile space, my lappy space, nothing. In this way, you can, I make slides also. Many PPTs we are making and we are sharing and we are saying, please see, is it okay or not? No, I will, here I will make tense. I will click slide, tense, Reena Shukla. Okay. Then now I don't want to do any work, so I will stop it. It is saved here. Automatically it is saved here. What we have to do, we have to search कि हमारा tense slides. Where it is? It is not saved. Presentation. This is presentation and this is presentation tense. I will open it again. Google Slides. And I will continue with this work. I will again, that time I was not having time, so I create one slide. Now I will add here, insert slide, nice slide, whatever we can. As we do PPT work, same work we can do here. And now I want to share with you. Again, I will share. I will get link, copy link. So first I will keep with me. I will keep here slide. PPT tense. This is the checking. If we are going to enter it, it is being blue and it means it is online, working online. So we can do like that. I will. So here you can see it is minimized. I have nothing in my mobile. I have nothing in my laptop. My laptop is totally empty. I can show you कि देखिए ये तभी तो अच्छे से चलेगा. इवन लैपटॉप आई वांट टू डू. अगर एक कमरे में आपने बहुत सारा सामान भर दिया तो आप खूब अच्छे से चल फिर नहीं पाएंगे, फांदा फूंदी मचाएंगे एंड यू विल बी इन ट्रबल एंड यू विल बी डिस्कम्फर्ट, फील डिस्कम्फर्ट, यू विल फील एंड इट विल बी ए chaos to do. And if you are getting a open space, then you can do a lot of work with a nice way. So here it is empty, so it runs. It is not overloaded. How much empty it is? 341 to 88 GB free. Means it is just like 20% filled. Here it is 25% filled. Here it is empty. Most of the people have this is overloaded recovery D. So here I have not kept here. So I can do a lot of work. You can means I am opening Mozilla, I am opening WhatsApp, I am opening Chrome, and 4 or 5 windows in I can do work. And nothing is mobile. And the thing, just check this drive. If this drive you don't have in phone, then go to Play Store and download it. And then sign in with the mail. With that mail, you have doing work after signing. मैंने sign in किया था ना mail को, देखिए आपने sign in हमने सबसे पहले हमने शुरू किया था, हमने sign in किया था अपनी mail पे. तो this mail के साथ आप sign in करो. और फिर क्या होगा, ये जो drive है ये आपको मोबाइल में दिखेगी. Then just open it. और फर्स्ट फाइल आप ये वाली रखो, this one, my links. So as in this way you can grammar, then you can proceed with. I have kept a lot of things after that, all classes. So in this way you first file should be this and other file should be here. And these are types of files: Google Docs, Google Form, Google Excel, Google PPTs, Google PDF. So a lot of types of, there are kinds of, many kinds of files. Whatever you can make here, you can create here, and whatever you have, you फटाफट अपलोड कर दो यहाँ पर अपने को रिलैक्स करने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारा बोझ अपने सर पे लेके चलना अच्छी बात नहीं है. सो यू अपलोड हियर एंड बस जस्ट आपको देखना है कि chaos ना क्रिएट हो जाए. सो यू कीप ऑल द लिंक्स इन दिस वे. Only keep this file links, my links, and grammar, then other class. You can add a lot of things here. Class for whatever class, activity, and link, and here we can, I have marked done. किसी ने किसी class में कुछ कर लिया है तो done assurance. So in this way you can manage a lot of things. So I think that is enough for the day. If you have any query or if you feel any problem, so don't hesitate. Comment in comment box in my YouTube channel in the particular video, and I will respond to you. So don't be tensed, don't be stressed. The first thing we have to keep ourselves fit and fine, and we have to do work in a very managed way, and there are many things through that we can be managed. If you are going to do this and you are going to be comfortable with this, you will feel relaxed and you are being prepared for the future challenges. And no doubt this COVID time has been very challenging for teachers. So you can first of thing, you have to be managed with these files, with these loads. So I think that's all for the day. Bye.